It was at the University of Waikato where the researchers uncovered the secrets of manuka honey, revealing its powerful antibacterial properties. These discoveries have also transformed the field of honey research and propelled New Zealand's manuka honey industry onto the world stage. Nowadays, manuka honey is used in hospitals worldwide to treat a range of conditions, from wounds and burns to sore throats and digestive issues. In 2023, manuka honey exports contributed over $300 million to New Zealand's economy, driven by the pioneering research at the University of Waikato. But the benefits of manuka honey go beyond economics. Planting more manuka trees in New Zealand brings crucial ecological advantages, as it enhances biodiversity, protects soil health, and supports native fauna. We're not just supporting our economy, but also safeguarding our environment for future generations. Today, the University of Waikato stands as a global leader in research, continuing to push the boundaries of scientific exploration. We are ranked among the top institutions globally and #1 in New Zealand for research. From that pioneering foundation, our researchers continue to investigate the properties of manuka honey, as well as other New Zealand native honeys and bee products. Their work reflects our pursuit of research excellence and our drive to impact global scientific knowledge. Apply now at the University of Waikato, where research excellence meets real-world impact.